All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about concentration, and we've got an image here, two lemonade solutions. Got them on the left and the right, and we know one thing we know about these pictures just looking at them is that they have the same volume. It says right here that they're 2 liters of solution, so our lemonade. And this volume here is basically to do with our solvent. Okay, so we have in our lemonade solution, we have water, which is the solvent. That's the thing that does the dissolving. Okay, so that, does our dissolving, does the dissolving. And we also have, there we go, does the dissolving. We also have the lemonade mix itself, and that, is the solute. I went over top on that. Hold on. Let's try that again. Has the solute, right? And that is the part that gets dissolved. All right. So the sugar or the mix or whatever, that would be your solute. And the solvent is whatever's doing the dissolving. So in this case, we've got water as our solvent, and our lemonade mix is our solute. All right, so looking at those two, which one do you think will taste more like lemonade? All right, hopefully you chose the right one, because we have a darker solution. There's a couple things we can see in the picture. It's darker, right? And we see in this blow up that there's many more solute particles, more lemonade mix than over here. So this would be like the diet version, and then this over here, you just put more and more in, and it's gonna taste stronger. All right. So we describe these in two general terms. The solution on the left, which has fewer solute particles, we would call, put here, dilute, meaning there are fewer solute particles dissolved in there. And the solution on the right, we would give the term concentrated. All right, more solute particles. So these two terms, do they give us any specific information about the quantities of the solute or the solvent that are in there? And hopefully you answered no. These are general terms, right? Dilute and concentrated, these are relative. So, what I would consider a dilute solution, my kids might consider concentrated. It just depends. So these are very ambiguous general terms to describe concentration.